In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link main navigation to a section on page. By the end, your top menu will smoothly scroll visitors to a specific spot on your page, creating a clean, user-friendly experience. First, open the page that contains the section you want people to land on. Hover over that section so you can select it. You're choosing the exact block of content you want your menu item to jump to, like a hero, an about block, or a contact section. Next, click Edit Section to open the settings for that section. This is where the anchor information lives. In the Settings panel, look for the Anchor Link area. You should see a copy icon right next to the anchor value. Click the copy icon. That puts the section's anchor on your clipboard so you don't have to type anything manually. Anchors typically look like a short label that begins with a hash symbol. This ensures the link jumps to the correct location on the page. Now move to your site's main navigation where the menu text lives. Select the navigation label that you want to point to this section. This could be something like About Services or Contact, whatever label matches the section you just targeted. Highlight that menu text and click the link icon to add a hyperlink to it. When the link field opens, paste the anchor you copied a moment ago. Because you copied it from the section settings, it will be formatted correctly and match the exact section ID, which helps avoid broken links or small typos. With the link in place, it's time to check your work. Click Preview at the top right to load a safe, unpublished view of your site changes. This lets you test the behavior without affecting your live site. In the preview, click the navigation text you just linked. The page should scroll directly to the section you selected, landing neatly on that content. If the jump feels slightly off, that can be due to fixed headers or spacing. The important part is that the link connects to the correct section and scrolls the visitor there. That's it. You selected the section, copied its anchor link, applied it to your main navigation text, previewed the site, and confirmed it works. Use this same process for any other sections you want to link from your menu, and keep your navigation intuitive so visitors can get to the right content fast. Thanks for watching and happy building.